Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today is Wednesday, February 24th. Last night I produced a video saying that I was going to be watching Albemarle, Kinross Gold, CRM, JD.com, Micro, and PI. Basically, this is my RSI watch list for this morning. We'll take a second look at each one of these. But first, let's get the news. The market yesterday looked like it was going red, and then around 10 o'clock, it reversed itself. Well, I'll take a look at the China sell-off. There's some earnings today, and let's try to get an overview of the market. During his presentation, he said that the Fed has no plans to taper its bond purchases for this year, and this was good for the market. Chinese stocks have continued their sell-off. According to this news article, the stock market will open mixed today, and Biden is going to take some executive actions so that we're not so dependent on China. The Dow's, S&P, and the NASDAQ are all in green territory, so is the Russell. Crude oil is up. Heating oil is up. Yesterday's performance, energy was very, very good. Technology was a low ball. Yesterday, the SPY bounced off its 50-day moving average and came back up. The NASDAQ might reverse itself and start coming up. This is the RSI. The MACD is still down. The trend is still down. But you have to watch the RSI. Let's go to a lower time frame. The Russell, the RSI has crossed over the 30, and it seems like the trend is up. However, I'm cautious. Super trend indicator is still indicating down. The MACD is crossed as well. The Dow Jones, it's mixed. And the S&P 500, I think we're seeing a regime change right about here. While it's in positive territory, it's not by much. I have a database of over 180 stocks plus. And each night I run a routine against it to see what signals are generated against that database. That's my domain. It's a domain of 180 stocks that I know a little bit about. I know the name, what they do. The routine generates signals based on the RSI indicator, based on the MACD indicator, and based on whether the zigzag has changed direction. Also, I can determine whether the stock is trading above or below this 50-day moving average, which is a bullish or bearish sign. Let's take a look at the RSI stocks. PI has an MACD crossover below 70. Its zigzag, or the top, occurred within a few bars of the MACD crossover. MACD is showing a bearish sign as well. Micron Technology, below the 70, crossed over below the 70. MACD crossover. Momentum is going down. Micron Technology is a good short for this morning. JD Technology, again, MACD crossover. Momentum starting to die, and the RSI dropped below the 70. Good short material. Salesforce, RSI dropped below the 70. Its MACD has been bearish. Momentum is going down. This is a good short opportunity as well. Kinross Gold, MACD crossover. The RSI crossover. MAC has not crossed over yet. Momentum is starting to increase. I think Kinross Gold is a buy, and I'm already in Albemarle as a buy. Been jumping around the last 3 days. So I'm going to call my shot, and the shot is Micron Technology as a short at the open. Revisiting Salesforce, and I'm not trading this as a short. We have an earnings date coming up. I didn't notice it before, and I'm going to say stay away from this one. Repeat, stay away from this one. Happy trading this morning. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.